So, hi guys. We're going to... Where are we going, sweetheart?
In the...
Hawak mo ito. Huwag mo tatouch yung camera.
The mic.
Ayan, go.
We're going in the park. Hello. Hello.
We're going to the park kasi maglalaro si Daddy Bon and si Baby One siya ng
Baby one siya.
badminton. So, mag-exercise lang sila. Tapos ako, uupo lang ako. Kulang ako doon kasi napapagod na yung tiyan ko. Ang bigat niya. Okay, see you later. Hindi pa din
Kasi naka-tilt, naka-ano yan. Dito parang ibang bansa. Ano?
Mancha, excited ka na?
Yeah. Like a fly swatter.
Dito ka, Daddy. Kaya mo dito. Ito, Daddy. Baka mo dito mo.
So nandito kami ngayon sa park. At mag-chill lang kami kasi nakaka pag puro sa bahay lang eh. Anong nakakaano, mami? Nakaka-bored. Oh, yun yung term.
Daddy, push me.
Push you, wait lang. So nandito kami ngayon sa park. Kapo, wala pang ligo. Oh, yan. Ayan, chill lang kami dito. Hi, miss. Ganda mo naman, buntis. Anak mo yan?
Tulak mo daw siya.
Saan?
Dito sa swing. Be, ayoko nang be.
Ay ko. Hintuhan tayo. So,
Hindi tayo mga pagkwentuhan.
so matagal ka na dito?
Ano po yung kwentuhan mo? Sino ka ba? Ay, ba tao?
Ganit na gulit.
Yan.
So, hindi na tayo kita?
Yan, paanan.
Paan na lang?
Di siya mapakali, oh. Di siya mapakali, oh.
Di niya alam kung saan pupunta eh.
Hindi ka mapakali, be.
First time mo?
Daddy, push me.
Teka. O, makitaan ka. Hawak mo mabuti ah.
Kabaliktad siya.
Oo nga.
Harap, Ben.
Doon ka daw harap. O, sa'yo itong mic.
What if it's fly?
Eh di magpa-fly ka din.
No. No, what if the mic fly? In
Ikaw din magpa-fly.
No, what if the mic fly? We...
Kuan may tulak. Pogi naman ito.
bush. Not too Hey, not too fast the bush.
Pag ganun, nabibigla siya eh.
Ganun lang.
Yeah, no. I
Kailan
don't,
mag-push, be? Ano ba? Paano ba yung push na gusto mo? Dahan-dahan?
yeah. I mean,
Walang ganun. Yung paa mo kasi, be, to help daddy. Open, close. Open, close. When you're gonna go in front, open. Yan.
stop,
open.
stop, stop,
You have to help him, be.
stop.
Straight feet, straight feet. Straight feet.
I'm
You have to help the one that the pusher. Ano ka, princess?
Hey, no na.
No.
Yan, ganyan. Straight. Kapag papunta sa front. Straight mo pa, ganun.
Badminton tayo, idol.
That's how you make it lakas. Yan, ganyan.
Badminton tayo, idol.
Ayoko na.
Ano?
I don't want na.
Ako na lang, dad.
Badminton.
Oo.
Paano yuyoko-yoko?
Ikaw. Ikaw taga-dampot. At tara, daddy, dali. Badminton tayo. Dito, oh. Dali.
Yun o, sa court.
Okay.
Saan tayo?
Dito. Kaso ang liit ng raketa ko. Okay, doon ka. Talo ka naman eh. Ang liit nga lang nito. Hindi, okay lang. Go. Go.
Palo ka naman. Oh.
Oh. Ay, make sure ikaw magdadampot, syempre.
Huwag mo takasan, boss.
Uy! Huwag masyadong mababa. Palobo lang. Umatras ka pa kasi. Akin na, yun na si daddy. Go. Akin na. Tingnan mo, matatalo to.
I'm letting mommy win.
It's okay. You have to play fair.
Sabi mo alam. Ay, taka.
Ganun, no, ginagano nila, oh.
Baka mislide ka dyan. Ha? Pwede mo paahin. Pwede mo paahin.
Alis dyan. Oh. Ako hinahabol ko, ha?
Alam ka naman papuntahin kita mo kabila.
Ah.
Mama, can you get that flower? Mama, can you get
Uy, bawal dito magbunot. Baka may nuno dyan.
ito na lang?
Apo.
The winner is...
Todo.
Oh, thank you.
The winner. Again. Sticky, the
Ay!
Magaling ka talaga bang ano yung maggulo?
leaves.
Normal.
Oo naman, kasi dito sa flower.
Yes, wet wipe.
Ato sa car. Sa car. Hello, may ganun ba? May ganon? Ano ba yan? Buhay... Seriously?
Attention, attention.
Change court.
There's a big ant in Daddy's bag.
Change court. Change court ng mga tala.
Ano ba to? Minion mo?
Wancho, wag mo siyang guluhin.
Higil sa akin eh.
Ay, maikli kasi eh. Ayun sa tabi mo.
I will get this fruit.
Ah.
Abot mo pa yun?
Ay,
Can you get me fruit?
ayan, kunin mo, jump.
I cannot. I'm not far.
You jump and down.
I cannot. I cannot. I cannot.
Alam, galing oh. Jump ka sa down. Tingnan mo, kaya mo yan. Try mo. 1, 2, 3, go. Siyempre, kukunin mo ba? Hindi dun ka. You jump going down. 1, 2, 3, go. Kaya mo yan, go.
Wait. Videoan natin.
Wait, Beb, wait. Wait. Wait lang, bibigyan ka ni Daddy. Dali, wait. Wait, ay. Sige.
Dali.
Go, try. It's so nice when you get it by hard work. Yeah! Ay, hindi yan kinakain, be.
What's this?
I don't know.
Ano ba yan?
Galing mo ah.
This white thing.
It's a dagta. Thank you. Ano yung kay Daddy? Ay,
Tama ko.
Where's the fruit?
ay, ikaw naman. Ayoko na.
Where's the fruit? Here.
Hagis.
Ay, ikaw na.
Hagis mo dito.
Sino maglalaro? Ayoko na. Pagod na ako. Kakapagod pala yan. Iikot ako. I need to ikot. Baby, that's not a fruit. It's a fruit of the flower, but you know, it's not for eating. Dito.
Ano pa play natin?
I don't come. Let's play boxing. Let's play boxing at the. Let's play a boxing. So we have a battle scene. But I'm gonna tell you a question. Come. Daddy, I will tell you a question. Oh, makahiya to? Makahiya to? Hindi. Daddy, what is that for?
Exercise.
What are we gonna do with that? Ganito?
Yan.
Ganito we will stay like this?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yes.
It's like you're flying like Iron Man.
Yeah.
What's this for the line? What's that like for? For doing like this?
Yeah.
Daddy, let's play climbing.
Hindi siya bakal. You can do it, boy. Timing. Uy, parang sundalo pala yan, oh.
What is sundalo?
Soldier.
Mama, look, I climb here!
Are you a sundalo?
Yeah. I have battle scars in my hands.
Patingin. Tingin. Sa camera.
Flying Superman!
Nakapagod pala yun. Nakapagod na maging buntis. No?
Ilang months ka na ba buntis?
8 months na.
8 months ka ng ganyan. Ba't parang sad?
8 months na. Kakapagod na. Ang laki na kasi niya. Kakapagod na. Tsaka, sobrang bigat.
Parang kang nagwe-weights everyday.
Sa chan.
Sa tiyan.
Happy ka? Pag-uwi, we're gonna take a bath na ha.
Even you. Us? Can we survive all together?
Di pwede. Sugatan ka, ha?
There's a shark inside here.
Yeah, sure.
Tingnan mo, may flowers, oh. Tagodoing.
Do mommy did that.
Yeah.
Mama, can I get a flute again?
Ay, bahala ka. Maghanap ka.
But I cannot find.
Sabi mo, tabi-tabi po mamaya, iba makuha mo.
If I can, I need to said when you're outside. Tabi-tabi po. Even when you're being outside. Sometimes I forgot.
Ayun lang.
Daddy, let's play upstairs. Daddy, let's play upstairs. This is where you go up. The easiest part. The easiest part for big guys is to walk here. Like that. Like that, Daddy. Like that. Go!
Hindi pwede.
I'm up.
Kaya ko naman yan dyan, eh.
Go on.
O, video mo ako.
Okay.
Ayan, okay na yan.
Climb.
Kita ka?
Yeah.
Maatras talaga siya, oh.
Daddy here. Come! Go, King! Go there! Let's go, King. This is where we go down. We slide down. Let's go. Come on, crew. Let's slide down. Whee. Whee. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, crew. This is a abandoned ship, so boats can be here. I mean, there's so many lights here, so ghosts can't be here. Let's go. Let's go here. Go
Video
here.
mo ako. Doon ka. I-ano mo, yung joystick.
Ano to?
Ah, yan. Para yung camera. Up mo, up. Down. Kaya na? Huwag mo hawakan yung screen.
Go.
Pakita mo fit mo.
Now it's a bigger space. Guys! Ah! Ah! That's the cannon. We need to go to that ship now. This is the slide. We need to go out to this ship. That is made out of metal. Let's go.
Ang naman yung bag mo.
Here, Mama.
Thank you, sweetheart ko.
Let's go, Clue.
Sinang ko, Mom?
Daddy. Mama, what? Do there's something in my feet?
Wala man.
Let's go. I'm gonna play to the swing. Don't push me.
Okay.
Push me, Daddy. Wait. Wait, pass it, Mona. Pass. Can you grab the swing, Mona? Go. Go.
Oh, kapit ka mabuti. Kapit ka mabuti, ah. Kapit ka mabuti. 3,
Wait.
2. Ready?
Yeah.
1, go.
Ang paligo nito, no? Parang lagkit-lagkit ko.
Sarap yan, maliit man. Malamig.
Ayun lang yun.
Nawan, chow.
Yeah.
Bro, taas mo na.
What if I spin?
Ano gusto mo ulam dyan?
Dami yan.
Enough! Enough!
Hindi yan, hindi ka may spin.
Enough!
Springs are made for like that. Dada, gusto mo ulam adobo ulit?
Pwede. Sige.
Adobo chicken?
Chicken. Chicken na lang.
Okay.
Alis, alis.
Alis ka dyan, Bo.
Alis. Ay.
Bea, balis ka dyan. Oo nga, sinusundan siya. I-ano mo yung face mo?
Nakatingin na nga ako.
Kaya nga dapat hindi. Yung normal lang. Oo naman. Baka humiga ka na dyan.
Isa pa, isa pa.
Daddy, I'm gonna
Baba.
push you.
Ah. Ang bilis ng face tracking.
Fun?
Wala na, nahilo na yung DJI. Nahilo na siya.
We need to find the woods. There's a lot of woods. There's a lot of woods you can find here. Come.
May snakes kaya dyan?
Oh yeah. We cannot find some wood. How I can be a pirate?
Eh no, maging witch ka na lang.
No. Si Harry Potter na lang.
Sino?
But si Harry Potter.
Harry?
Si Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. Harry Potter daw. Si Harry Potter. Di ba daming buhok yun?
I think Harry siya.
No, they cannot find. You need to find them. Mama, I cannot find what. They're all
Tingnan mo doon, oh. Tingnan mo doon.
there.
Sabihin mo sa vlog.
Guys, we need to find what to make a real pirate, to be a real pirate. Naturala de Roca. Where? Where? Here? Which? Oh,
Oh, what are you now? What are you now?
a pirate. Can you get yours?
Hindi na. Hawakan mo dun. Yan.
Here's your sword.
Maliit lang eh.
Here's your sword. How about this? This.
Loh, may tunog.
Let's go.
May tunog ah.
Yours. Let me switch. Let me see yours. Meron ka din. Hapas
Ano
yours.
meron ka ding?
Meron kang tunog din. Diba?
Mas maganda yung sounds na sa'yo.
Daddy, look. Put your sticks in. Put your sticks in. Huh.
Pag hinampas mo yan dito sa akin, bali yan. Go. Malakas. Yung may tunog.
No.
May tunog.
No! So we can have two? I don't want!
Go.
Pirates just have one sword. Pirates just have one sword. Mine can draw. What do I draw? Wancho, my name. Captain Wancho.
Huh?
Hey, you, your sword. You forgot your sword. Let's go.
Dakas ah. May tunog.
Daddy, help us this.
What's that?
Makahiya. Let's hampas.
Makaya ba yan? Uy, wag mong sirain.
Let's hampas.
Hindi sinisira
Hampas
yan.
it.
Wag.
Sorry, plants.
Oo, dapat ganun.
You need to say sorry.
Anong tawag dyan? Mancho,
Makahiya.
tingin ka dito para sa camera.
Daddy, look, there's a treasure here. Let's break it. Our swords is too weak. Let's fight in bad pirates. Let's fight from marines.
Nasaan ba sila?
There.
Tara, go, takbo.
I found Makahiya. Come. It's here.
Oo, yun nga. Mas makahiya.
Let's go. Keep going. You didn't help me? Ha! This is so strong. Wait.
2 swords ka na?
Here.
It's all yours.
Here.
Ayoko niyan.
Here. I got a knife.
Putulin ko na yan.
No. If you put all this, I have more. Just kidding, that's not my weapon.
Malamok na.
No. Why?
Kaya na.
Let's go to our ship.
Sabi ko, may tunog yan, masakit. Sabi niya, mali daw.
Ano dapat?
Masket yan, may tunog.
Baliktad.
Saan na tayo?
To our real ship. Ouch! Can you hit this? Can you hit this, Mama?
Baka may nakatira dyan na nuno.
Hindi.
Puro hindi. Go na. Tara na, boss.
Nakapagod din, no?
Ha?
Pero kailangan natin gawin to siguro mga next week. Simula after
Mama,
Tuesday.
can you play outside my sword?
Baby, kanina ka pa naglalaro.
Evening na.
Opo.
It's still morning.
Who's that?
Light.
Nabasa mo na 27. At bago mag November 5. Tingin mo lalabas na siya?
Tingin ko.
Claudia, bago mag November 5, wag lang November 1 at 2.